I'm Laurie Guyon. I am the lead coordinator for technology integration at a BOCES in upstate New York. In my role, I am all about how to use technology effectively in the classroom. So for me, I always think about the what, why, and how to use technology. It's not so much using technology for technology's sake. And I use what I call the SMILE method. And so we're going to go through each of the letters. The S is shine. You use technology when you want to shine the light on the strengths of the students that you have in your classroom or the strengths that you have so that you can help foster and help and support others. And then the M is motivate. We're looking to motivate others to want to learn, to work on their intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. You're going to find what works for your student, and technology can help you find that and help really engage your students. You want to use technology when you can inspire them. So you can open up the world, you can you can flatten those walls, and you can make sure that your students have access to the entire world so they can learn with others and for growing in any way that they need to grow. And then you want to use technology to learn. And learn is a big one. It's not just for your students, it's also for you. We have to be lifelong learners. We have to always be trying to understand and explore and find new things, especially around the realm of emerging technologies. How can we help support our students, and what can these technologies do to help our students grow? And then when you get to the E in SMILE, this one seems a little weird, but it's elephants. There's always these elephants in the room, these obstacles that we have to overcome in order to get where we need to go. We know that time is always an issue, or we have curriculum, or there's new standards, or something like that that's making it more difficult for us to do what we want to do in the classroom. But we can overcome our elephants if we just think about how we can use technology to leverage what it is we want to succeed in. And I always tell the story of there's this nonprofit organization in both Africa and in India where they were looking at elephants, and they were trying to figure out how to protect them because we know that elephants are on the endangered list. And what they found were these elephants were coming into the villages, and they were damaging the crops on the people that lived there's land, and they were knocking down the houses, and sometimes they were killing humans, and then humans were killing the elephants because they had trampled on their lands. But they discovered that elephants are petrified of bees. And so what they did is they were able to set up beehives around the plots of land with tripwire between the hives, and the elephants, when they would come up, they would hit the tripwire, and what it would do was send the bees out of their hives, and they would buzz around and the elephants would run away. Elephants are great communicators, so they would also communicate to all of the other herds of elephants what was happening, and so the elephants would stay out of that area. So it was saving the humans, it was saving the crops, it was saving the elephants, and it was also giving the people that live there a new product. They now had honey that they can eat or sell. So if you ever see a honey that says elephant, what is it called? It's elephant-free honey, or something along those lines. If you see elephants with honey, it's from that organization, because they do some really great things to make sure that we can live in harmony with those difficulties. And that's what we can do with educational technology, is make sure that we're maybe not overcoming everything we have to deal with in the classroom, but we're finding a way to live in harmony with it.